Mayhem really loves Mama Goat. And Ruckus is in charge. Popper's chilling in the house. Spring fever has us all super excited. Hey bud, this is Richard.
Happy Goat Farm potato planting, take 3. Action.
Hey guys, Heather here from Happy Goat Farm. It's April 16th and today's project is planting potatoes. We've never planted potatoes, so this is exciting for us. We have to amend the row with some soil. Guy's gonna fill this up with compost. We'll bump it up and get it going.
So we're cutting the taters. Need at least 2 eyes per tater. And we're just chunking them out. These ones don't have a ton of eyes, but should be fine. I should be able to see already.
Very exciting. What kind are they?
What kind are they?
Strawberry paw.
Strawberry paw. Fantastic. This is exciting.
Excellent.